Hi guys, welcome back. We now carry a high and low shank ruler foot in our store. So today we're going to talk about what a ruler foot is, what the difference is between high and low shank, and how to determine which is best for your machine. So let's get into it. So we're just going to give you a brief overview on what a ruler foot is. It is a free motion quilting foot that is used for templates like we have here at Dabline or ruler work. The higher sides on the foot keep it from sliding underneath the template. So as you can see here on my regular free motion quilting foot, it is a much thinner foot. So if I was quilting in here, it would slide under much easier. So that's why we use these. And now we're going to go over how to determine which one, whether the high shank or low shank ruler foot is for you. All right, so now we're going to show you how to determine whether your machine is high or low shank. Really the difference between the two is just how high your shank, which is right here, sits from the needle bed. So to do that is a really quick and easy process. We're just going to measure. So we'll start by taking off our current presser foot. Now I'm going to take the screw off completely just to show you guys for demonstration purposes, but you don't have to do that. You can measure from this side here. So we'll get our measuring tape, and really what you're going to do is measure from the center of this screw hole down to the needle bed. So if yours is 1 inch or higher, then you are high shank, and if you're about 1/2 inch, then you are low shank. So based on that, you can pick which one for your machine, and I'm gonna attach mine right now. Mine is low shank. So now that we have our foot attached, we can do a few test lines. And my favorite part about the ruler feet that we carry here at Dabline is that they're symmetrical. So this ensures that your needle lands right in the middle of the foot. The diameter is 1/2 inch, so that means your lines, if you go from the edge to the center, will always be 1/4 inch apart. So it makes it really easy on getting those good 1/4 inch lines. So we're gonna do a few of those. Just gonna go straight down. Now you could also use a ruler in this case and put it right up against your line that you just had sewn, or you can just line up the edge, so on this side, the edge of the ruler foot with the line, and then go down again. You can see here they are all 1/4 inch apart, which is super nice. So there you have it. Finding out whether or not your machine is high or low shank. Super easy, really simple. And if you want to take a look at those 2 ruler feet or any of our templates, we will have them linked down below for you. And we'll see you next time.